straight as an arrow. And we polished it up, and now we got another pretty radical axe. This thing's pretty rad. Stretch it out. Exhale. So if you can be around incredible bolt colors, purple cabbage. I've got these trays from the bulk farm that I'm gonna set on this zone or build like a transplanting table. Dark hair, green eyes, impeccable thoughts, reflections of billboard eyes, television dreams, Kelly Kapowski, what's it all mean? Distractions unseen, distractions unseen, distractions unseen, broken dreams. And when the kids at the lunch table, they tell you that you're not able, I would just start a fable from your heart and let it ramble. Hey, boy, you manifest the energy. It will be your dream, just like when you go to sleep. In ye can be the things you always dream. Obi, what are you doing up there? Obi, meow. See the cat's on the roof. Obi, you want down? That's where it's at. It's there in the grass. Ooh. Hey, Obi, you're looking majestic. What do you think of the plastic roof? Mm-hmm. You jumping? Gonna jump? Obi. Yeah, you got it. Give it a jump. Jump out. That was cool.